Hi guys, chika tayo sa yung napanood ko na segment or interview ni Ogie Alcacid with Regine. Sa napanood ko, this is about yung life is too short, na dapat i-enjoy mo na siya while you still have it, So, sa akin, based on, focus muna tayo kay Ogie, okay? So, ang nangyari kay Ogie nung December, di ba, na na-choke siya sa chicken. Na sinabi niya, ang tigas-tigas, no? Kasi, di ba, para kang nag-ano sa sarili mo ba? Yung you don't appreciate everything, right? Yung you don't appreciate. Tapos, ito yung mga instances na parang parang slap in the face ba na the universe will give you like a shake to your soul na dapat mag-appreciate ka, whatever, no? Kasi na-choke siya, guys, tapos nawalan siya ng consciousness for, he said 2 minutes, no? Nawala siya ng consciousness ng 2 minutes. Tapos, may commotion, no? Pero ang nagtumulong sa kanya yung anak niya kasi marunong nurse kasi yung anak niya. So, marunong mag-reflex pa sa pag na-choke yung tao, di ba? Marunong may training din kami ng asawa ko niyan pag kasi yung asawa ko din, guys, mabilis siyang ma-choke sa chicken. Ewan ko ba bakit siya sa chicken. Ngayon nga si Ogie, may siya, parang natutrauma siya sa chicken. Ayaw na niya kumain sa chicken. Yung asawa ko ganun siya din, guys. Pag kumakain ng chicken, parang meron yatang past lives history ito yung asawa ko, no? Pero anyway, so let's just focus on how short life is. Ito talaga natutunan ko, no? Kasi based sa experience ko, sa family ko, 3 katao na namatay, no? First, yung brother ko, he got a stroke at the age of 38, Ano din kasi yung brother ko, mahilig kumakain ba? Yung mataba siya. Tapos may hypertension siya, so nag-take na siya ng medicine kahit na bata pa, no? 38. Yeah, so ang nangyari sa kapatid ko, before he went to school, siya lang mag-isa sa bahay, na-stroke siya. Tapos we only come to find out, kasi Friday yun, find out, naghanap yung yung eldest brother, kasi yung family ko dati, guys, close talaga kaming magkakapatid. Very connected kami ba? Which is opposite now. Buhay talaga, ganyan talaga buhay. Anyway, so nangyari yun, tapos we found out na sa gabi na siya namin na found out na nag-stroke siya, before siya nag-shower. So, talaga siya, guys. Kasi before getting to the shower, doon nangyari yung niya, yung stroke. After sa kanya, hindi na lang ako ng detail kasi yung maikli talagang buhay, na yung ganyan. So, first yung brother ko, tapos second naman yung papa ko. May history na din yung papa ko about stroke, no? Yung kita mo, guys, yung nag-stroke yung papa ko. Minsan pag kumakain kami, gumaganon siya, nag-stroke, no? Mahirap siya, guys, ha? Akala nyo, madali para sa akin magsabi ng ganito. Now, I can deal with it, Hindi na siya masyadong emotional kasi na-release ko na lahat ng mga ganyan. Kasi wala na akong blockage. Wala na akong emotional imprints. Yung mga lang, alaala. Kasi you can think about it, But the pain is not there anymore. It's just the memory of like, how does it feel, Ganun lang siya pag, pag spiritually awakened, guys, maano mo na siya parang matutunan mo how to process emotions. So, madali na lang siya i-process. Hindi na siya magsistick sa body. So, yeah. Lang yung gap ng death sa brother ko at saka papa ko, 6 months lang. Okay? Nangyari siya sunod-sunod. Tapos, after a year noon, namatay yung mother-in-law ko. Tapos, after a year naman, namatay naman yung ko. Yeah. So, after ng papa ko, namatay yung mother-in-law ko, mga within a year din. Within a year, namatay siya. So, after COVID time, maraming mga family na namatay, mga relatives namatay. Pero after, sa side ko, my mom died 2022. Same pa din, mga complication, may hypertension. Hindi naman sa hypertension yung mom ko. This time, it's kidney. Okay? May kidney, may diabetes. So, talaga, yung bloodline is very prone to, sickness, no? So, maikli talagang buhay. Yung pera, guys, mabilis siya maubos, actually. Sa family ko lang, no? Kala nyo yung mga maintenance ng mga mga medicine. Hindi siya madali ha. Naubos talaga yung pera ng mama ko. No, nagkagulo talaga kami kasi nga maraming expenses ba, nagkagulo-gulo, no. Ganyan na lang buhay, accept na lang, no? Accept na lang. Pero now, okay naman kami ng mga brothers ko, wala na kaming parents, no. May isa lang talaga ang greedy, no. Pero ganito lang buhay. Accept na lang natin, ganun talaga may contrast sa buhay, no. Accept na lang natin na yung pa-victim ba, when you become a victim talaga sa circumstances, ganun talaga, no. Pero we hope na lang, no, we hope. Pero acceptance is the key to find peace in yourself, to find happiness in yourself, no. So in my immediate family now, kasi married naman ako, we're doing good. We're doing good. Life is not perfect all the time because it's always like that, you know, but you can change it if you really have you know, kung alam mo talaga how to co-creation, you know, kung alam mo talaga guys, ang buhay, madali siya, basta you learn how to be, how to have compassion to people. Madali siyang i-navigate. Pag hindi ka attached to everything. Kasi attachment is really difficult, no? Kung gusto nyo ng how reality works, I want you to follow Charles Hodges, or I don't know how to pronounce the name. And what is really the truth? Check his video, okay? Charles Hodges. I cannot pronounce his name. So he recently posted a video that really tell you what life is and what is the truth of a human okay? Of what we are here. Are you human, or you are a being, or you are spirit, okay? Or if you're a soul. So if you really want to find out who you are, okay? So this is not esoteric, this is really who you are. Okay, it is written all by different religions. This is all come in one truth. It's all the same thing. They all come, this is ancient knowledge and it's passed down through us, and it is not hidden. Okay, so life is short. Life is short. We come here to experience life, to enjoy it, but here we are facing fears, right? We exploded our ego. We compare to others. We hate each other, right? I'm not in that path anymore. I know how this world we live in. Kaya, nakaka-sad actually sometimes. But I know what is this? Nakaka-sad, feeling sad lang. Basta it's too, if my knowledge is too deeper than that, I just don't wanna put you into that path na hindi nyo pa alam, no? Basta kung maging interested kayo in what reality is, what is the truth, follow Charles Hodges' video. Just recently, sinamarize na niya, okay? So kung may mga topic siya na hindi nyo alam, okay, i-check nyo. Ano yung mga keys na hindi nyo alam? I-check nyo. So you can, kasi alam ko na lahat yung sinasabi niya. Kasi nandun na ako. Okay, so again, sa lesson natin ngayon is enjoy life, have compassion to people, control what you say, you know, because you become what you speak. So it is true. Very powerful yung voice nyo. Be careful on that. And hindi nyo alam. Putak kayo ng putak, hindi nyo alam kung anong ginagawa nyo sa reality nyo. Which, entangled din kami. Kahit na yan ang reality nyo, pero entangled because we are all one. So, what one's reality is, ma-entangled din kami niyan, no? But we can change ours. But somehow, parang, kasi nga, connected ba? We are all connected. We are not separate with each other. So, basta guys, too deep na siya, too deep. May maraming mga taong marunong mag-explain, no? Basta ako mag-enjoy lang ako. Kung sino yung gustong matuto about what life is, kung saan na kayo, ano yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, paano ko kayo matutulungan, basta magiging open-minded lang talaga kayo. Kasi, yan lang talaga yung key. Pero pag, meron naman ako mga tinutulungan, pero get stuck eh. I don't want to push people to do, their, or humahad lang sa anong gusto nila. Diba? Meron ako mga sa chat before, parang, hindi pa talaga ready ang soul. So, I'll let it be. Kanya-kanyang kanya-kanyang path, no? Pero, nasa na tayo ngayon kasi, nasa breaking history na tayo eh. We need to create a world that's better. Hindi ganito. Kaya ganito ang nangyayari, no? Maraming mga trahedya, maraming mga chaos, maraming kaguluhan. Kasi part yan siya sa new world, okay? So, ano pa hinihintay nyo guys na darating si Jesus Christ? Nandito naman siya, hindi nyo lang nakita. So yeah, that's it. That's my video for today. Bye.